This is the AOSU Video Doorbell SE. Let's jump in. Alright, I'm going to unbox it and see what's inside. There's a quick start guide, the camera itself, a USB-C cable to charge the battery, a mounting bracket, and some mounting screws. There's also the doorbell chime, which gets plugged into the wall inside the house. The Doorbell SE provides a 170-degree viewing angle at 2K, allowing you to see whoever's at your door from head to toe, as well as see packages at your doorstep. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. It has a two-way voice feature which will allow you to communicate with people at your door. On the side there's a rubber gasket cover, which can be opened, revealing the USB-C charging port, the micro SD or memory card slot for onboard storage, and the power and reset buttons. Installation is easy. Just screw the mounting bracket to your desired location by the door, and then slide on and lock the doorbell camera in place. When you need to recharge it, you can push down on the lever on the bottom, and pull up and remove the doorbell camera so you can plug it into charge. Once you have the AOSU app installed on your smart device, you can add the camera from the app dashboard by scanning the QR code on the back of the camera. Make sure to turn on the doorbell camera by pressing and holding the power button on the side.
Hello.
Once you select your Wi-Fi and connect successfully, you can name the doorbell camera to help you better organize your camera dashboard if you have multiple cameras, or you can just leave it at the default name. You can also choose to purchase cloud storage, or skip it and just use the onboard storage. From the dashboard, you can select the doorbell camera to open the live view. You have the option to switch between standard or Ultra HD. Keep in mind, Ultra HD will take up more storage space. You can also record directly to your smart device or onboard storage by clicking on the camera icon. From here, you can also select the microphone to communicate with whoever's at your door, or you can select a pre-recorded reply to be played. You can also take screenshots and save them to your storage. In the settings on the top right, you have options for motion detection, where you can adjust sensitivity, or select if the camera will only record if humans are detected, versus recording any motion at all. Notification settings can also be adjusted. Now in facial recognition, you can store pictures of your family or trusted faces, which will display the person's face on event pages or recorded events, making it easier to review or sort through. This feature can also be left off if you wish. Whether it's day or night, the AOSU Doorbell SE works great and provides a good view of your front door for both security and comfort. With the included doorbell chime, you can hear the doorbell not only from your smart device, but also from the inside of your home or office. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next one.